Students, how are you? Today I will discuss a stable equilibrium. What is a stable equilibrium? I will discuss today. Last video I have discussed what do you mean by shift of supply, and in last video I have discussed equilibrium. In this video you will understand a stable equilibrium. What is a stable equilibrium? Today you will understand. Okay. At first I am going to draw the diagram. At first you will understand what is equilibrium. In last video already I have discussed. So try to understand what is equilibrium. Okay, then you can understand very easily what a stable equilibrium. This is price and this is quantity. This is 0. Okay, and this is demand and this is supply. Okay, and this is equilibrium. Clear? A stable equilibrium is what? A stable means, today you will understand, this is P and this is Q. Okay, try to understand a stable equilibrium. Stable this is equilibrium point. Okay, and I have increased the price from P to, I have increased the price. Okay, P to P1, P to P1, I have increased the price P to P1. So this is called, this point is called excess supply. This point is called excess supply. Excess supply. Clear? Excess supply. Okay, from this point to this point, excess supply, because supply is too high. Okay, so here supply is too high. Now here supply is too high, I have a price increases, price increases. Clear? Price increases, supply increases, but demand decreases. Here demand is decrease, demand is decrease. If I will increase the supply price, then supply will increase, supplier will be happy, but demand will decrease in the case of excess supply. But if I will decrease the price from P to P2, then here then what happens if I will decrease the price? Okay, from this point to this point, from this point to this point. Okay, from this point to this point. Clear? Here price decreases, price decreases. Clear? Price decreases, it means what? Supply decreases, supply is decreasing. Okay, supply is decreasing. Clear? And also, but demand is increasing, your demand is increasing. Clear? Demand point is this, demand is increasing. Clear? Come on this diagram. So this is excess supply, this point is called excess supply from here to here. This is excess supply, and this is excess demand. This point is called excess demand. Clear? This point is called excess demand. From P to P1. If I will if I will decrease the price, then demand will increase and supply will decrease. Demand is here, if I am decreasing the price. Clear? Then supply is decreasing, supply is decreasing and demand is increasing. Clear? This is called excess demand. This is called excess demand. Here demand is increasing. Clear? If I am decreasing the price, so this is called excess demand. Demand is increasing. But if I will increase the price, if I will increase the price from P to P1, then demand will decrease. Demand is decreasing and supply is increasing. price increases, supply will be happy, then he will supply more and more, he will supply more and more, but demand will decrease. This point is called excess supply. Clear? This point is called excess supply. If you have not understood, then I am going to tell you something regarding this matter in Hindi. Try to understand. यहाँ डिमांड डिक्रीज हुआ, जहाँ डिमांड डिक्रीज हुआ, सप्लाई इंक्रीज हुआ, दिस इज कॉल्ड, ये क्या कहलाया आपका? एक्सेस सप्लाई। डिमांड को बढ़ाने के लिए, डिमांड को बढ़ाने के लिए, फॉर इंक्रीजिंग द डिमांड, डिमांड को बढ़ाने के लिए प्राइस को कम करना पड़ेगा। वी विल हैव टू डिक्रीज द प्राइस फॉर इंक्रीजिंग द डिमांड, दिस इज कॉल्ड एक्सेस डिमांड। क्लियर? स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम में प्राइस के द्वारा इक्विलिब्रियम स्टोर होता है। स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम में प्राइस के द्वारा इक्विलिब्रियम स्टोर होता है। क्लियर? स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम में प्राइस के द्वारा इक्विलिब्रियम स्टोर होता है। तो प्राइस यहाँ बढ़ा और यहाँ घटा, तो इसी को हम लोग बोलेंगे स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम। इसी को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम। क्लियर? यदि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक इट। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।